Hi, I'm Rachel Vitullo and welcome to How To Hair. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a high textured ponytail. So to see how to prep for this look, head on over to my textured wave tutorial. To create the high textured ponytail, what we're going to do is divide the hair into 3 sections. So our first section is going to be in front of the ear, on both sides, and then from the center of the ear straight across horizontal. I'm going to clip the underneath section at the nape of the neck away, and we're going to work with our middle section first. This center section is going to be our first ponytail that we create. What we want to do is, by using a soft brush, we want to get rid of a few of the lumps and bumps. Not too many of them, just bear in mind that this is a textured ponytail, so we don't have to get rid of all of those lumps. And we want to get our first ponytail into position. When creating a high ponytail, the most flattering position to have the ponytail is to align it with the cheekbone. So working out where the cheekbone is and just gliding your finger up to the section. What that will do is, when all the hair is up, you get that really beautiful strength right in there, and it's the most flattering shape on a high ponytail as well. Just going to spray the exterior with a flexible hold hairspray. Making sure that when you're spraying the flexible hold hairspray onto the root area, make sure you spray a little bit beyond where you're tying. What that's going to do is make sure that you have security when you're tying the hair and you don't lose your tension. Now we're going to incorporate the underneath section. Just making sure when you incorporate this section into your first ponytail that the head is tilted all the way back. What that's going to do is really tighten up at the nape of the neck, so then when the head gets positioned back upright, you don't get sagging underneath. Once again, using my soft brush, we're just going to brush that into position. Use our flexible hold hairspray and spray all the way up. We're just going to secure the underneath section with an elastic again. Now we're going to be working with our third section. What we're going to do is just bring all that hair back and completely get rid of the part. Using our soft paddle brush, what we want to do is just create a little bit of cushioning on that root area. Once that top center section is complete, we want to just create a little bit of cushioning on our side sections as well. Using the tip of the soft bristle brush, we're just going to remove any of the exterior backcombing marks, but still keeping the cushioning in there. Using our volume powder, I'm just going to spray the entire root area so we get a really good gritty texture. Once that product is all in, you want to really massage that scalp and mold the hair into the position that you want. Creating a V shape in your hand, you're going to use your fingers and rake the hair into the position that you need. Once again, try not to be too fussy about the lumps and bumps because this is a textured ponytail. We want to make sure that we still see a lot of highs and lows. So I'm just using my fingers to lift all of that back up in the front of the hairline, and we're going to secure that in. Once all three ponytails are secure, we want to hide this elastic in through here. So the way we're going to do that is by taking a little bit of hair from underneath the ponytail, using our flexible hold hairspray again, spraying all the way to the tip, and wrapping around our elastic. Once it's wrapped all the way around, just taking the ends of this section and pinning in to secure. Now we've got our hair around our elastic, what we want to do is just create a really beautiful rounded shape in through that front. So just using the tips of my fingers again, I'm just going to gently push that hair towards the hairline. So now we're going to work with our ponytail. When creating a high textured ponytail, you want to create dramatic and a really big effect in that ponytail, make the ponytail look as big as it possibly can. What we're going to do is divide the ponytail into two sections, separate the ponytail a little bit, and right where these grooves are, we want to just use our soft brush and just push up into the same direction that the ponytail's in. Dropping our top section down, once again spreading that top section out, and we're just gonna repeat that motion. Patiently waiting.
The final thing.
It's so close, yet so far. And that is how you create a high textured ponytail. If there's anything in particular that you'd like to see, make sure you comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.